A whale burst kills everything. How scary is a whale burst? Compared to the beautiful and shocking whale falls that people are familiar with, whale bursts may be a little strange to many people. The so-called whale blowout is the phenomenon of a dead whale exploding, so when you come across a stranded whale carcass, it's best not to get too close because it could explode at any time, and that explosion could be very deadly to those around it. So why do whales explode? The truth is that this is mainly because when whales die, the food in their stomachs that they haven't had time to finish digesting slowly hatches. And when these things hatch, they produce large amounts of gas like gases such as methane, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia. At the same time, the internal tissues and organs of the whale will cause bacteria to spread at a steeply accelerated rate as they rot. And the bacteria will produce even more gases as they break down the proteins of the whale's body as time passes. These explosive gases will increase and the pressure inside the whale will rise. In addition to this, since whales are deep-sea animals themselves, there is a certain amount of air pressure within their bodies themselves in order to resist the water pressure of the deep sea. When the pressure of the gas produced by the corruption in the body grows and reaches the upper limit of the whale's corpse's tolerance, an explosion will occur, even if it does not reach the upper limit of the capacity of the whale carcass. A slight disturbance from the outside world or when dissecting the whale, mishandling the whale explosion will still be a touch. When some whale carcasses unintentionally stranded, people will even take the initiative to use bombs to blow up the whale carcasses in order to prevent the whale explosion to jeopardize the lives of onlookers. Often, some stranded whale carcasses are pushed back into the sea, but also endanger the safety of passing ships. Because a careless collision of the ship, it is likely to make the pressure inside the whale imbalance generated by the explosion. It is important to know that the whale's body length can reach up to 33 meters, equivalent to 3 or 4 buses so long. The weight can reach up to 181 tons. Whales generally have more than 4 stomachs. A stomach is as big as a small car. Blue whales can swallow 2 million krill at a time, an average of 48 tons of food every day. When they have less than 2 tons of food in their stomachs, they feel hungry. This shows how terrible the consequences are when such a behemoth explodes.